Hi friends, my name is Shalini, and today, by the title of the blog, you have come to know that what I am going to talk about. So today I want to just share one thing which is very effective for everyone, and I am using it for since 3 years. And whenever I face a problem, I use it, and you wouldn't believe within a month it just vanish means vanish. So today I'm going to say about Mederma. This is a small tube. You can see the packaging. Today I will review about this and tell you what is effective and what is not about this cream. So is it's here like the Mederma, you can see it's written over here, and it says that skincare for scar, and it's a first doctor recommended product in USA for scar. You can remove any kind of scar with this, and eventually I'm using it for 3 years. And whenever my scar appear, whether it's acne, whether it's burn, and whether it's cut, this is a holy grail for all you people out there. So today I'm going to review about this product and tell you what's the benefit of it, so how does it work, how does it apply, how to apply in your face. So this is the packaging. It's a white packaging, you can see it very well. It's a white packaging. It's written here Mederma skincare for scar, and it's also world, you can see it over here, it's first doctor recommended product from in USA. So now you can analyze how effective it is. It's written Mederma over here, it's Cephalin over here, it's written at the back. When we go, as you can see it very well, at the back when we go, it says that skin cares for scars should be generously applied, gently rubbed into the scar, the particularly place where if you have a scar over here, gently apply it and rub it. With the scar is there, just rub over there, just over there, and into the scar for 3 to 4 times in a day. Matlab, like, you have to apply it 3 to 4 times in a day. So 3 to 4 a day for 8 weeks. 8 weeks, you may be like 2 months you have to apply this. 2 months on a new scar, and 3 to 4 a day for 3 to 6 months on existing scar. It's only for external use only, not for the internal. It's just an external scar. Wherever it's appear in your body, apply it every day, in the morning, in the night, but apply it for 3 to 4 times in a day. Whether it's morning, whether it's afternoon, whether you are free, whether you are not, you have to just apply it. Just have to apply it. So this is how the packaging is, like cute purplish white packaging. And when it opened, oh, I forgot to say you, its weight is like 10 gram of a tube. It's come in the tube like this, you can see it's a tube like this. It's a fully proof tube, and it's a fully proof tube, and it has a seal over here. You have to pin it and then use it. Use your hand, use your clean hand to put this, use your clean hand to put this. So this is the way how the tube looks like. As you can see, it's a 10 gram tube, and its retail cost rupees 400. I know it's little expensive for everyone, but swear I'm using it for 3 years. Wherever my acne scars come out, I used to put it every time, and randomly that vanished. And you never come to know ki how does it vanish. So this cost retail 400. I know it's totally a very very high amount of this, such a small 10 gram tube, but it good. The work is effective for everyone. If someone is buying, the work is effective and you get the result what you want. If you pay 400 for a 10 gram tube, you will get the result very much. So this is how the tube looks like, and in this some instruction. First read the instruction whatever you get it. So I'm just opening this instruction. It's in Hindi over here. it's English over here, sorry, and in Hindi it's right over here. So it says Mederma Skin Care is for scar. It says it's a penetrated scar treatment gel with cephalins. Cephalins is type of a gel. It's a gel. It's just a gel, white gel, not in a white color. It's the translucent white gel. So it says cephalins that help scars appear softer, smoother. It is a grease-less gel. When you apply it in your hand, it's applied like a grease. It's like little bit greasy, and then after a few minutes it's get absorbed into the skin, and it's for after that use it's just leave that white thickened cheese, which is obviously a normal creams usually do. So greaseless gel, easy and consistable to use. It's also very good, like scars can appear at any part of the body. As I have said you that scar can appear any part of the body, whether it's an injury, burns, acne. Even acne is also good for that. So whether it's appear anything, you just don't have to just dig into anything and don't have to apply that normal Redmi, as it's also effective. The natural Redmi is also effective to remove the acne scar, but as I'm using it, if you want a very effective time or you have a very less time to remove this acne scar, just use it. Whether it's cut, sometime I have that cut in my face over here, and I was using this for 3 years and it's totally not visible. My scar was here, and whenever I get a pimple, I scrubbed it, I just removed it, I just touch it by my hand. The better is, yeah, use this, you will get a very good effective result. Don't, if you want the result very effective, if you have to go at a marriage or something and the pimple wala jo daag hota hai, it's too much ajeeb, everyone used to know, and sometimes the personalities also get affected by this. Use it, you will get the result. Just try a Medami. It have to be usable, like you have to use it for 2 months effectively. It's too much, but you have to use it, you will get the result. Whether it's 10 gram, 400 rupees, it's effective. So that's it. Today I have reviewed it very, and just go and apply it, just use it and see the result, how you get it. And this, please comment me down in the below, down in my comment below, so that I will come to know how effective तुम्हारे पे use हुआ, how did you get people get that result to it. Just comment down in the below, and please, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Hope so I will come with this new effectively thing and very easy and quick thing to just, if you want. So please subscribe my channel and follow me if you want to see other new videos. Follow me, comment me down below what you want to see, what you want I want to review for you all people. So please keep on watching, and bye bye.